So in the previous video, we discussed how to check if an article or if a research that is in Google Scholar is found in Web of Science. For this particular article, we are going to learn how to check if an article in Google Scholar is indexed in Scopus database. So what you do is that if you search an article in Google Scholar, let's assume that you are researching about machine learning approach. So when you search machine learning approach in Google Scholar, you will be presented by various sources, various articles. But what you don't do is that you don't know whether the articles are published in Scopus. So to be able to check whether an article you are interested in is in Scopus, let's assume this is the article in which you are interested in, machine learning approach to workflow management. So you open it in a new tab. So when the article opens in a new tab, then you can be able to see the details of that article. So this is the title of the article, and when you check here, you'll see the article in which the journal in which that particular article is published. So you can see this one is a conference paper, so this one is not a journal, and therefore you cannot be able to see you cannot be able to check it on Scopus because it is a conference paper. So let's go back and look for another article. Let's say we have this particular article, machine learning approach to reading level assessment. You open it in a new tab. So when the article opens, then you can be able to see the title of the journal, computer speech and language. So you click and open that journal, and then the journal opens. So what you have to do is that you have to look for the ISSN of that particular journal, where it is. So the easiest way is to control find. Here it is, the ISSN. The easiest way is to control find, and then you type ISSN, and then you can be able to see where it is. So you copy that particular ISSN, and then you come and paste it on the Scopus database. So when you have the Scopus database, remember you are using the ISSN as an option. So you can search in Scopus database. You can search using subject area, title, publisher, or ISSN. In this case, you choose ISSN. Then you come here and paste it. Then you click find sources. So the article will be searched on the Scopus database, and you will be presented with the results. So you can see we have been presented by the results, and we have one result. And the one result that we have is that you can see the name of the journal is computer speech and language. That means this particular article has been published in a journal which has been indexed in Scopus database, which implies that that particular article is also indexed in Scopus in the Scopus database. Let's look at another article. This one we open it in a new tab. When you open that article in a new tab, now you will be presented with the details of that particular article and the journal in which it has been published. You can see this journal is called Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research. So what we have to look is that we have to look for its ISSN. We look for its ISSN. You can click on you can open the homepage of that journal, then you can look for its ISSN. So this journal does not present the ISSN. So you can go to about the journal. If you go to about the journal, let's see whether you can see when you go to about the journal, you can see the ISSN there. You copy it, then you come here, you delete the first journal we had checked, then you wait for Scopus to respond. Then after the previous details has been deleted, then you paste the ISSN you had copied, then you click find sources, and you can see this journal is also indexed in Scopus, Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research. That means this article here, it means that this particular article is also indexed in Scopus, because the journal in which it was published is indexed in Scopus. So in case you go and search for a journal and you don't get it in Scopus, it means that the article that was published in that journal is also not in Scopus. So that is how you check whether an article in Google Scholar has been indexed in Scopus database. Thank you.